We really care about your safety when you come in to see us at Carrot Eye Center. So what we've done, we've instituted, pretty much the usual things that you're experiencing when you go anywhere. Temperature checks, we're doing a questionnaire, but on top of that, we've totally revamped our scheduling. So you're not coming in when a whole bunch of other people are coming in. So you'll largely have the clinic to yourself. We have barriers surrounding you when you're in testing, all the equipment's wiped down. Dr. Harry and I are on masks, and so are our entire staff. We really care about your safety.
One of the options that we do offer to our patients is a telemedicine visit, where they can come into our office for a diagnostic visit, and then in the comfort of their own home, talk with either Matt or myself to go through the results of that visit.
When you come in for a telemedicine exam, we want you to think of it exactly the same way as you would coming in for any normal exam. However, we've split it into two parts. So the first part, you'll come in and get all your diagnostic tests. We're going to examine your retina. We're going to look at your cornea. We're going to look at your lens. We're going to test you for glasses and contacts. We're going to do a video exam of your eye. Then you can go home. Go home to the comfort of your own home. You can be at work, wherever's convenient for you, and we'll set up the second part of that exam. That's a personal consultation with Dr. Harry or myself.
Hi Rachel, I'm Dr. Harry, and how are you doing?
Good.
Good. Well, thanks for joining us today. Is this your first time doing a telemedicine visit?
It is, yes.
Awesome. Well, I'll talk you through everything. This will be easy, and I think it's actually going to be kind of fun. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see exactly what I'm looking at, okay?
We want you to feel like you're with us. We want you to see what we see, and we want to be able to give you all the diagnostics necessary for you to feel like, and for us to feel like, we got you exactly what you need.
Okay, so the first image we're looking at here is the back of your right eye. What I'm circling with my cursor here is your optic nerve. So at Carrot Eye Center, we take safety very seriously. We've done everything in our power to ensure that you have a safe visit. More importantly, a visit where all of your diagnostic and medical questions are answered. Everything looks absolutely perfect. I don't think that there's any corrective action we need to take for you, other than maybe getting you into a new pair of glasses or contacts, or if you're interested, certainly scheduling a refractive evaluation so that we can look and see if you're a better candidate for LASIK or SMILE.
We want you to feel safe when you come to see us, bottom line. But we also want you to feel taken care of. We take care of people, not just eyeballs. We want to make sure that you are getting the same quality, the same consistency with our expectations at Carrot Eye Center. So when you come for a telemedicine exam, you're getting the very best in a safe, effective, and convenient manner for you. We're really excited about this. We can't wait to see you.